Hi everyone, Miss Bertuman here to welcome you back. Today we will be multiplying two digits by one digit while using place value discs. Here's what you'll need for today's lesson. Let's get started. Use your place value chart and draw discs to represent the number 23. Now, draw discs on your place value chart to show one more group of 23. What is the total value of the ones? 2 times 3 ones equals 6 ones. Let's write 2 times 3 ones under the ones column now. Let's also record 23 times 2 vertically. We record the total number of ones below, just like in addition. This is called a partial product because we have found the ones part of the product. Now, let's do the tens. What is the total value of the tens? 2 times 2 tens equals 4 tens, which equals 40. Let's write 2 times 2 tens under the tens column now. What is the total value represented by the discs? Let's add our partial products to find out. The total value is 46 because 4 tens plus 6 ones equals 46. Notice that when we add the values we wrote below the line, they add to 46, which is the product. Draw discs to represent 34 on your place value chart. What is 34 in unit form? 3 tens, 4 ones. Let's draw 2 more groups of 34 on our chart. We already have one group. Here's another. That's 2 groups. We need one more group of 34. Draw it in with me now. How many groups of 34 do we now have on our chart? We have 3 groups of 34. Let's write the expression 3 times 34 vertically. We know through the commutative property, we can write the factors in any order. Normally, when we're multiplying vertically, we put the larger factor on top because it makes it easier for us. What is the value of the ones now? 3 times 4 ones equals 12 ones. Let's record the value of the ones. What is the value of the tens? 3 times 3 tens equals 9 tens. Let's now record the value of the tens. Next, we add up the partial products. What's the sum? 102. Let's look again at our place value chart to confirm. Can we change to make larger units? Yes, we can change 10 ones for 1 10, and then we'll have 10 tens, which we can change for 100. Do this with me now. What value is represented in the place value chart? 100, 0 tens, 2 ones. That equals 102, which is our product. Next, let's draw discs to represent the number 54 on our place value chart. What's 54 in unit form? 5 tens, 4 ones. We're now going to draw 3 more groups of 54 on our chart. I already have one group. Let's draw another. And another. Let's draw one more. How many groups of 54 do we now have on our chart? We have 4 groups of 54. Let's write the expression 4 times 54 vertically. Let's start with the ones. What's the value of our ones? 4 times 4 ones equals 16 ones. Let's record the value of the ones. Now let's move to the tens. What's the value of the tens? 4 times 5 tens equals 20 tens, and 20 tens equals 200. Let's record the value of the tens now. Next, we add up the partial products. What's the sum? 216. Let's take a look back at our place value chart. Can we change to make larger units? Yes, we can change 10 ones for 1 10, and we could also change 10 tens for 100 twice. Do this with me now. What value is represented in our place value chart? 2 hundredths, 1/10, and 6 ones. That equals 216, which is our product. Excellent work. Let's keep going. Draw discs to represent the number 42 on your place value chart now. What is 42 in unit form? 4 tens, 2 ones. We're now going to draw 4 more groups of 42 on our place value charts. How many groups of 42 do we now have on our chart? We have 5 groups of 42. Let's write this expression, 5 times 42, vertically. Let's go now to the ones. What is the value of our ones? 5 times 2 ones equals 10 ones. Let's record the value of the ones. Let's now move to the tens. What is the value of the tens? 5 times 4 tens equals 20 tens, which is 200. Let's record the value of the tens now. Next, we add up the partial products. Do this with me now. What's the sum? 210. Let's return back to our place value chart. Can we change to make larger units? Yes, we can change 10 ones for 110, and then we can also change 10 tens for 100 twice. Do this with me now. What's the value represented in the chart? 2 hundredths, 1/10. That equals 210, which is our product. Excellent work. For today's work, your must-do problems are here on the screen. Go ahead and set a timer for 10 minutes to complete the work. And of course, I'll be here when you get back. Today, we multiplied 2-digit by 1-digit numbers using place value discs. Excellent work today. Be sure to check in with your teacher, and we'll see you here soon for another Eureka Math lesson. Bye for now.